Hello fam, welcome back, and I hope everyone is doing all good. In today's video I share with you this delicious yet easy homemade condensed milk toffee recipe with you. You will love this, so all you have to do is to watch this video to the end. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now let's dive right in. For my ingredients, I'll be using condensed milk, and I'll be going for this type of condensed milk. Use any type of condensed milk that you want. Moving forward, I also use some butter. You can replace the butter with some cooking oil and you are good to go. Moving forward, I also use some nutmeg, vanilla essence for flavor. It is optional, and so that is going to be my ingredients basically. Feel free to add in any other thing if that is what you want, okay? Next, into my heated pan, I've added in my quarter cup of butter. As I said, use cooking oil in place of this, okay? While that is done, I'll go in with my condensed milk, and I'm going to be using half of this condensed milk. You can also use the whole of this if that is what you want, okay? And while that is done, I'll go in with half tablespoon of nutmeg. The nutmeg gives the condensed toffee a very nice taste, so you don't have to omit it, okay? And last but not the least, I also go in with my vanilla essence for extra flavor. I will stir everything together beautifully, and once that is done, I will stir my condensed continuously for about 20 to 30 minutes until it starts to thicken up beautifully. So now let's stir everything together until it's nice and ready. You don't need to stop stirring. It's very important to keep stirring until everything is nice and ready. Whilst we enjoying the video, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. And if you are still not subscribed to my channel, can you do subscribe to my channel? Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back, and as you can see, the candy is beginning to thicken up, and that's what we're looking for. Always make sure to do this on low medium heat so that it doesn't get burnt. And also, if you have non-stick pan and a spatula, it's a plus for you because it's going to help the stirring very easy. As you can see, it's very easy to move around, and also at the end you're not going to lose a lot of candy. I mean, it's going to be very easy to remove all the candy from the pan, and that's one thing that we should take note. If you don't have that, just fine. Just feel comfortable to do it in any cooking pot that you have, okay? So after stirring for about 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it's looking right now. As you can see, it is beginning to turn into a golden brown or a brown color, and that's what we should be getting. But I want it a little bit brown, so we're going to cook this for extra 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, this is what we have. At this point, if you don't want your candy to be very hard, you need to test this in water very quickly so that you know the texture that you're looking for. So all you have to do is to get some water, and you just scoop a little bit of the candy into the water. You leave it for about 10 seconds, and afterwards you will know if the candy is a little bit hard or not. If not, you should cook your candy for extra 5 minutes and it should be ready. I tested mine in water, and this is what I have. It looks super hard, and that's just perfect. As I said, if you don't want it really hard, you don't need to fry or cook it for too long, okay? And now we have our perfect candy right now. All that is left right now is for us to roll our candy and cut it into our perfect size. You can also leave it like that and you can enjoy it right away, but we just want to make it more presentable. So I will drizzle a little bit of cooking oil on my chopping board and I'll begin to roll out my candy until I get the perfect size that I'm looking for. And at this point, the candy was super hot. You just need to take your time and allow it to cool down a little bit. And once that is done, we will roll it to get the perfect size that we're looking for. Afterwards, I'll use my knife or any cutter of your choice to cut it according to the shapes and sizes that I want. If you are a lover of sweetness, then I tell you this condensed milk toffee is one of the recipes that you need to try. You will love this. All you have to do is to trust the process and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do wait to subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Now look at how delicious this turned out. It's bringing back childhood memories and I love this. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Bye.